This lovely ranch home sits on a cul-de-sac lot in a great location in a small rural subdivision in Garrett. This home features an open concept and a split-bedroom floor plan that includes a 4-season Florida room where you can enjoy the sunshine no matter the weather. Recent updates include new paint throughout and vinyl plank flooring, as well as newer carpet in the bedrooms. The master bedroom offers a full bath with luxurious jetted tub and walk-in closet that can store it all. The 2 additional bedrooms are very spacious, and there's also a full guest bath. The inviting living room features a corner gas log fireplace that creates a warm and cozy ambiance you won't want to leave. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets and counter space, and the kitchen appliances stay with the sale of the home. There's a separate dining area that's perfect for hosting dinners and enjoying company. The Florida room overlooks the private backyard that's ready to be filled with fun, family, and friends all summer long. Don't miss out on this gem. Call Linda Carper for more information.